Hello YouTube, we back again. Boy Jason, barber and educator. We got a mannequin in front of us today. We're going to review the Cordless magic clips. A long-awaited clipper. Everybody been waiting on the wall. Seniors, we're hearing a lot of hype about them. So I decided to do a video that puts them to the test to see how valid the hype is. Everybody say that the Wall Senior has more power. Yeah, it requires less strokes to take the hair off the head, leave less hair laying behind. So we got a mannequin here, and we got both clippers. Well, I put the exact same blade on both clippers. The same blade that's on the seniors that come with the seniors when you buy them. I put that exact blade setup on this magic clip. So what we're going to do, we're going to start with the number 2 guard. And we're going to use this mannequin as our model, and we're going to cut the hair down. Round 1, number 2 guard. Let's just see the performance of both clippers. See if the seniors outperform the magic clips. At stroke 1, as you can see, both clippers left hair behind. So what we're going to do, we're going to take another stroke and just see if the seniors require less strokes than the magic clips. There we go, y'all. Round 1. A few of the barbers in the barbershop thought that we should came from the back forward. They were thinking that the hair kind of points more toward the back. So in other words, going against the grain would be coming from the back. So on round 2, we took the 1.5 guard, bring it down some more, and we came from the back to the front on round 2. When you look closely, you can see that both clippers left some hair behind. Let you be the judge on which one left more hair behind, which one had the cleanest cut. And remember, both of these clippers have the exact same guard on them. The guard that comes in the box with the Wall Senior. How it is straight out the box. I'm going with the 1.5 guard, premium guards, coming from the back. Stroke 1. Stroke 1's on the money. Now if you notice here on stroke 2, okay, they're both on the money, stay in their lane. As you can see coming up here in stroke 3, my assistant that had the seniors was out of his lane. He was totally on the side of the lane that we were in, and we were running in. So what we did, we gave him an extra run in order to be in the proper lane, so it'd be a fair shot. So we had the same amount of strokes from each clipper. So he's gonna get another run at it. So he gets extra go. Here it is right here. So notice when we come back for the second go, he was out of his lane again. Took the hair off the middle. So you see I directed him to get in his lane, and he actually got a good run. The results are in. So what do you think? Just get a close look, and you can see. So that was the mannequin. Now we want to cut the hair with both clippers on a live model. This time the magic clips have its own original stagger tooth cutting blade on it. But I took the magic clip fade blade off and I teamed it up with the standard taper blade on the magic clips. We left the seniors original. with the blade, same blade that was on the first part of the video, the first competition, or comparison that is. So we start out here with the seniors. We break it down, start setting it up, fading it out. We use our number 2, then the 1.5, then our 1. We go back with the 1.5, back with the 1, and we work that fade out. Speed up the video. You can see the seniors doing work. I must say the seniors actually do feel good in your hand. They feel real good in your hand. I'll let you decide on the power just from watching. They really do feel like they have more power when you hold them in your hand. Actually, because of the metal body with the weight, it feels solid. Just the fade feels a little more heavier than the magic clips, but not too heavy. Alright, that was the cordless seniors. Now let's compare the cordless magic clips on the other side of the heat. We'll cut the other side with the cordless magic clips. The cordless magic clips are a lot lighter, plastic body. They feel, you know, sometimes they feel kind of cheap. That's the difference between the seniors with the metal body. They feel heavy, feel like a more premium clipper. They feel real good. They feel like they're doing work. They even feel more powerful than the magic clips when you got them in your hand. I will say that. However, this is just my initial review because I haven't had the clipper that long. So this is not my final review on these clippers. You know, I'll come back and give y'all my final assessment in another video. However, so far, I do believe that the magic clips feel better. I'm sorry, the seniors feel better. However, the performance, I just haven't been able to get a distinct difference from the performance. The performance is still so close that it's not a definite difference as far as power and performance. The seniors feel more powerful, but when it comes to performance, they are so close. It's not decisive at this point. You know, they're definitely a good clipper. At the price point difference, it's so such a wide gap, but the performance doesn't mount up to the price point difference. So thank you for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe.